Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Let's have a discussion related to the series passing question. Have a look at this year, May-June 2013, variance 13. According to the question for part A, in an arithmetic progression, the sum Sn of the first n terms is given by Sn equals to 2n squared plus 8n. Find the first term and the common difference of the progression. So for the part A, you are given this. And from here, how are we supposed to find the first term here? First term, which is A, from here is actually equals to S1, because sum of one term is actually equals to the first term. So that means you just need to sub in n equals to 1 into 2 times 1 squared plus 8 times 1. Then you get a 10, which means your first term is a 10. And for the second part here, how to find the common difference, the D. To find the common difference, we need a second term to minus the first term. How to find out the second term when you are given the Sn? So second term is actually equals to S2 minus S1, because the sum of two terms minus the first term is actually equals to second term. So from here, to find S2, you just need to substitute the 2 into this Sn's general formula, which is 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2, and minus the first term, which is a 10, which means the second term is actually equals to 14. So from here, to find out the common difference in D is equals to the second term minus the first term, which is 14 minus 10. So the final answer is equals to a 4. That's how we find out the first term and the common difference when you are given the Sn, the general term for the sum. That's for the part A. As for the part B, have a look at the part B. The first two terms of the GP are 64 and 48. And the first three terms of the GP is also the first 9 and the n term respectively of an AP. And then you are asked to find out the value of n. So from here, we know that the GP has the first term, second term, and third term as 64, 48, and unknown. So we'll need to find out what's the third term. So from here, GP will be having a common ratio. So the R is equals to 48 over 64, which is equals to 3 over 4. And therefore, to find out the third term, it should be 48 times 3 over 4, which is equals to 36. That's our third term for the GP. And it's mentioned in the question that the first three terms are actually the first 9 and the n term for an AP. So for the AP, the first term is the same as the GP, 64. And for the 9th term, is the same as the second term for GP, 48. As for now, you're asked to find out the value of the n. So the n term is actually the same as the third term, which is 36. Alright, for now, we are supposed to find out what's the A and D for this AP, before we can find out the value of the n. So from here we know that the a is equals to 64, and for the d we can find out from the ninth term here. So the ninth term, the formula is a plus n minus 1d equals to 48. So you just need to substitute what is the a, which is 64, plus n minus 1 means 9 minus 1 is 8d. So from here we can find out the d. The common difference should be a -2. So with the information here, a equals to 64 and d equals to -2, we know that the n term is 36. So let's form an equation there. The n term is equals to 36. So according to the general term for Tn, it should be a plus n minus 1 times d equals to 36. And hence, you should get n equals to 15.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.